How to create a blockchain.com account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create blockchain.com account. Now the process itself is pretty simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to create blockchain account, you can simply open up the application, and on the login page you can select the sign up option. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here, but I'll be showing you on the web browser. You can head into web browser and you can head into blockchain web. You can type it in this way, and then you want to head into the first link there. Now you want to tap on the three icon there, or at the bottom here on the screen you can see sign up option as well. So you want to enter in your email address here and then tap on sign up. So I'll just fill in with my other email here. So once you do so, you want to tap on sign up. Once you enter in your email address there, it'll ask you to enter in your new password, that is create your password. In order to create your password, you'll have to include on your password is uppercase, lowercase and such. You can see uppercase, letter, number, special character, and be at least 8 characters long. Once you enter in your password, confirm your password, enter your country of residence. If you have referral code, you can enter it here, tap on confirm. Once you do so, you'll get a confirmation email sent to the particular email. Now in my case here you can see blockchain.com. It'll ask you to verify your email. You'll get this confirmation code on your email that you entered in there, and then tap on yes, I confirm this is my email, and you'll get confirmed here right away. So you can see mine is already verified. So this is the way that you can create blockchain account. After that, you can easily use your email and password to log into your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.